People and planet are under threat from toxic chemicals, climate change, and plastic pollution. While groundbreaking technology has the potential to address these problems, many of these earth-shattering advancements cannot scale fast enough to address these problems today. And some may only come to fruition after it's too late. But what if companies could address these environmental issues now, without changing how they operate? Renegade is solving these problems today. With plastics technology that reduces the presence of toxic materials and mitigates climate change, all while building the foundation for a circular plastics economy.
My first company, American Tent, is a major user of plastic fabrics. We use these fabrics because they are durable and what our customers expect, but they are also terrible for the environment. They cannot be recycled, they are very carbon intensive, and if disposed of improperly, can leach toxic chemicals into the environment. I'm Tony Ehrbar, and I'm CEO and co-founder of Renegade Plastics. As a major user of plastic fabrics, I was always looking for a more environmentally friendly material to use in our tents. I co-founded Renegade to address this problem, not just for myself, but for the whole plastic fabric industry. I know that by changing the entire plastic fabrics industry, fabricators like me would be proud of the products they make and the environmental impact by using more responsible fabrics.
In my career, I have deployed some of the most advanced technologies to farming operations. However, most of these technologies required people to change their learned behaviors. When Tony asked me to co-found Renegade, I loved how simple the solution was and how big the impact could be, especially because plastic-coated fabrics are used everywhere. They're used for billboards, furniture, car interiors, construction, and even farming, just to name a few. Having the experience of changing a company's operations to achieve sustainability goals, I knew how important it was for a solution to be easy to scale in order to achieve meaningful results. When I learned that Renegade Fabrics worked with existing fabrication techniques and existing equipment, but they're actually easier to work with than the less sustainable materials that companies already use, I knew that we had the right solution.
As an environmental engineer and professional climate scientist, protecting the Earth is not just my job, but also my passion. What attracted me to Renegade was the impact that these fabrics could have today and the potential to scale this solution to have a larger impact in the future. Renegade does not just offer a product, but works to build an ecosystem to reduce this industry's environmental impact. Since Renegade fabrics can be accepted by over 60% of US recyclers, no special recycling program is required, making them a true sustainable swap. Plus, many of those recyclers are willing to pay for the waste fabric, making it even easier for fabric users to switch to Renegade. Furthermore, by replacing fabrics made from toxic PVC, I knew that I'd be making the world a safer place for my son.